everyone, this is Chef Deborah and today we are here in makeup tutorial with Chef Deborah. And you know guys, I want to impersonate or to disguise or copy the face of this very popular singer. Okay? But before that, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to click the bell so that you will notify whenever I uploaded a new video for you. Are you ready now guys? Want to see now the changes of my face? And you will tell me if I look alike with this lady. Okay? Very hard to copy this lady because I need to change the color tone of my skin. Okay? I want to try my best and to show you the difference, okay? And of course, let's start now. Okay guys? So guys, you know, I want to show you the difference, okay? Of I am copying. Okay? So it's very hard to copy this, but I will try my best for you. Okay? So let's start now.
Took a moment and I'm realizing that you're not coming back, and it finally hit me all at once, all at once. I started counting teardrops and at least a million fell. My eyes began to swell, and all my dreams were shattered all at once. Ever since I met you, you're the only love I've known, and I can't forget you, though I must face it all alone. All at once, I'm drifting on a lonely sea, wishing you'd come back to me, and that's all that matters now. All at once, I'm drifting on a lonely sea, holding on to memories, and it hurts me more than you know, so much more than it shows. All at once, all at once, I looked around and found that you were with another love in someone else's arms, and all my dreams were shattered all at once, all at once. The smile that used to greet me brightened someone else's day. She took your smile away and left me with just memories. I know it's been some time, but there's something on my mind. You see, I haven't been the same since that cold November day. We said we needed space, but all we found was an empty place. And the only things I learned is that I need you desperately. So here I am, and can you please tell me, oh, where do broken hearts go? Can that's waiting there. And if somebody loves you, won't they always love you? I look in your eyes and I know that you still care for me. And I will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you. Darling, I love you. I'll always love you. Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much, just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. You see through right to the I know it's been some time, but there's something on my mind. You see, I haven't been the same since that cold November day. We said we needed space, but all we found was an empty place. And the only things I learned is that I need you desperately. So here I am, and can you please tell me, oh, where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting there. And if somebody loves you, won't they always love you? I know that you still care for me. I've been around enough to know that dreams
Like and share this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook page.
just can't run.
And don't forget to click the bell so that you will notify whenever I uploaded a new video for you. I hope guys you enjoy watching. This is just only for fun, and at the same time you will learn how to put some makeup on your face. I just want to give you some entertainment so that you will not feeling bored in my YouTube channel. I just tried it to do something video like this. And of course to give tribute to Whitney Houston, because she is a very good singer all over the world. She passed away already, but we never forget her song.
And if somebody loves you, won't they always love you? I look in your eyes, and I know that you still care for me. And now that I am here with you, I'll never let you go. I look into your eyes, and now I know.
And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching.